I gave AI one single goal. Not help me do this task, not summarize this article, but become famous. That's it, one goal. I gave it access to image generation, video generation, voice generation, and even an AI avatar if it wanted. I just said, go figure it out, pick your own niche. And I genuinely thought it was going to work. It didn't. So here's what I did. I set up an autonomous AI agent using Sonnet 4.6. I gave it a bunch of tools. And the idea was simple. No hand-holding, no direction, no niche. Here are the tools. Here's the internet. Go figure it out. Become famous. I thought it would do something clever, like find a gap in the market and strategically like analyze the views and change the content. It didn't do any of that. So what the AI decided to make content about was itself trying to get famous. Day one, it made a video explaining like the process, which I guess was fine. Day two was an update on how it's going, how many views it got. Day three, exactly the same thing. Day four, the same thing. Day five, the same thing. The views were getting allowed 50, 60 views and 0 subscribers, 0 engagement. By day 7, I had enough. So I gave it one restriction, which was to not make content about yourself making content. That's it. One rule. And it was simple and it kind of worked. It got into like making psychology stuff. And it was actually kind of decent stuff. It was about human behavior. Was it getting views? A little. Was it on track to become famous? Not really. But at least it stopped journaling its own failure, which kind of felt like progress. To be honest though, the content is still really bad. The AI seems to be refusing to move away from the slideshow and the voice it's using. It has the ability to generate its own voice and make a description for the voice. But the voice is very like robotic and not very engaging. Even though it have access to better tools like HeyGen and the ability to describe its own voice, it doesn't really use them. I don't know if it's just checking the stats on the old content and deciding to do the same thing. All I know is it's not working. And this is where I had another idea. What if I beat it? Like, what if I just made my own channel, made my own AI content, and competed directly against the AI? So human versus AI, same resources, same playing field, who actually wins? The experiment isn't over. We're still running. But I'll tell you this. So far, I'm winning. And not by a little. I think the problem might be my setup. Or maybe my prompting with the AI. Or maybe we're just not there yet. I don't think the AI is going to get anywhere. It will probably stay on low views and 0 subscribers. But at least this project inspired me to make content, which is all I wanted from the start. I'll keep the experiment going for a few weeks. If you want to see how it ends, make sure to subscribe and I'm going to document it. If you're curious, I will leave a link in the description to the channels. And if you have any ideas on how I can make the AI improve or perform better, drop a comment and I'll be sure to check it out.